Hello, everybody, and welcome to the ResellQueen channel, ResellQueen Chronicles. I am coming with you today with a very quick video to give you a quick update about what we talked about on the last podcast. Poshmark has made a decision to make changes to the search function. I am going to read the announcement that they have posted on their blog today, February 18th, 2022. Dear Poshmark community, as you know, we recently wrote out a new default sort option for search to launch a more relevant search experience for all Poshers. Recommended sort takes into account sharing as well as number of other aspects. Since rollout, we have seen huge improvements in the buyer experience and seller sales across the board, but we have heard your feedback. This new sort order is simply not working for many of you. As a result, today we will be switching back to just shared as the default sort option for most users. We will continue to improve our search to provide better experience for shoppers and help sellers get more exposure via sharing and relevance. We will re-release a new version after further testing and iteration. In closing, I value your partnership in creating a space fueled by the voices of our community and propelled by the work of our team. Please comment below to share your feedback. Yada, yada, yada. Sincerely, I'm assuming that name, yes, Tracy. Tracy's son. So this is what happens when you talk about things and you let the establishment know what you do and do not like. This is what happens. So I am testing it out right now. I'm just going to take a look because this was just dropped. I was out driving, doing some things on a Friday, and I was checking things and I said, oh my goodness, Poshmark made a statement. So I'm going to do a quick search. I'm going to use the same search I did before. Hermes just shared. It's up. It is up. It says just shared. So that's how it gets sorted. So they heard you. They're making changes. It's good. All right, that's been real quick. I said it wasn't going to be long. Just wanted to let everyone know Poshmark is going back to their default of just shared. Go make some sales.